Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that could enhance your driving experience and provide you with peace of mind on the road. We found this incredible 4K dash cam, which features both front and rear recording capabilities, a touchscreen, and built-in Wi-Fi. You can find the link in the description below to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? This 4K dash cam is designed to capture high-definition video footage from both the front and rear of your vehicle. Featuring a 3.6-inch IPS Touch Screen, it provides not only exceptional video quality but also an intuitive interface for easy operation. With its dual camera system, you can ensure that every detail is recorded with stunning clarity, making it an essential tool for modern drivers. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make this dash cam special. First and foremost, it offers true 4K video quality for the front camera and 1080p for the rear. This means you can expect vibrant colors, crystal clear images, and excellent exposure balance, ensuring that every moment on the road is documented accurately. The rear camera is versatile as well. It can be positioned inside or outside the vehicle, providing you with high-definition footage regardless of your needs. Another fantastic feature is the built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. This allows you to connect the dash cam to your smartphone via an app, making it easy to preview and download videos or adjust settings from the convenience of your device. This user-friendly aspect is particularly appealing for those who want quick access to their recordings without rummaging through the camera itself. For those who worry about their vehicle while parked, this dash cam includes a 24/7 parking monitoring feature. When in parking mode, the time-lapse function records at 1 frame per second, compressing a full hour of footage into just 1 minute. This not only saves precious storage space on your memory card but also enables faster playback. Additionally, with low voltage protection, you don't have to stress about draining your car's battery, making it perfect for long-term parking. Another important feature is the built-in G-sensor. This sensor detects sudden movements or collisions, automatically locking and saving the relevant video footage so it won't be overwritten. This is critical in case of accidents, providing you with vital evidence should the need arise. The loop recording function further enhances the usability of this dash cam by ensuring that the oldest files are automatically overwritten when the memory card is full, allowing you to keep your recordings current without needing to manually delete old footage. So, who is this dash cam suitable for? It's perfect for everyday drivers, rideshare operators, and anyone who frequently travels long distances. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or embarking on road trips, having a reliable dash cam can provide added security and peace of mind. Additionally, for parents or caregivers, it can serve as an extra set of eyes, ensuring the safety of your loved ones while on the road. Practical use cases for this dash cam are numerous. You might capture that unexpected road incident that could protect you in a dispute, or you can document your scenic drives for personal memories. The ability to monitor your vehicle while parked can also deter potential theft or vandalism. In the unfortunate event of an accident, having crystal clear evidence can make a significant difference when dealing with insurance claims. In conclusion, this 4K dash cam with front and rear recording capabilities is a smart investment for anyone looking to enhance their driving safety and experience. With its impressive features, user-friendly interface, and exceptional video quality, it's definitely worth considering.